What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Doing a quick unboxing. This is from my wife's YouTube channel for her real estate, and this is the DJI Mic Mini that she ordered. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. If you want to pause the video and look through this stuff, you can. This is how it looks. Very nice design. Let's go ahead. Go ahead and pop this open. So, comes with a pouch, it seems. Inside you have your manual, which is also in a pouch. Never seen that before. Alright, just quickly open this up. Looks like you have some stickers to, add to any device that you want to. Let's see, here goes the manual, quick start guide. And nobody's gonna really read that unless they're not tech savvy or anything, but let's throw that off to the side, put this away. Nice bags, by the way, great quality. And the pouch is very nice. It feels like the materials are kind of like waterproof. But let's go ahead and open that. Okay, anything else in here? Choking hazard. Okay, so let's see what we get here. I'm guessing this is for like the different mic heads, probably. Okay, that's for like wind noise cancellation. So we have quite a few on here. And this seems to be the audio jack / charging cables as well. So yeah, audio jack there. And then your charging cable as well, USB-C. And just open the main product here. Right off the bat, very sturdy, very well built case. It says here, press to unlock. So first of all, let me take this little sticker off first. There we go. And the charging indicator has 1 bar left, so I'm gonna have to charge this up fully. But there you go, it's very active in there, very nice. Very small as well. Pretty cool. Magnetic as well. Very strong magnets. Very strong magnets. And here we go. Very nice. So yeah, that's all for the unboxing for the DJI Mini Mic Mini. Like I said, very well built. Feels nice in the hand. The devices are ready to go for her. So yep, that's it, guys. Leave any comments down below. Are you in the market for new mics? I'll leave a link down below to the product. Give this video a thumbs up. Again, Happy New Year's. Peace.